Hello! In this video I will show you how to change search engine into custom one on Vivo Y95. So you have to start by opening your internet browser and then click on search bar, and you have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this video I will use yep.com. And now you have to search something using your custom search engine. Now click on the three dots icon and then go to settings. Then click on search engine, and you recently visited, you should have yep.com option, so you can select that and then you can go back. And as you can see, my search engine is now set to Yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.